Hi Cheesy, I want to make money online. What's the fastest way? What's the surest way to start making money online? Affiliate marketing. This is the Oko Cheesy.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Start selling digital products. Hi guys, this is the Oko Cheesy, and today I want to introduce to you another side income, something that you can start and it will give you money. In fact, this is how the girlies are making money in 2025, and I'm not even capping. Now, this is digital marketing slash affiliate marketing. I'm sure a lot of you might have heard people saying they're making money from digital marketing, they're making money from affiliate marketing. And a lot of you understand what affiliate marketing is all about, but some of you don't really understand what affiliate marketing is all about, but you've been hearing it. Now, let me start by defining the term for you so it will be a lot more easier. Digital marketing basically is you selling a product that you created. This is like my own version. Okay, selling a product that you created. Why affiliate marketing is selling another person's product that you did not create. Now, when you sell that product, they give you a commission. All right, so that commission is how you make money. Now, these are online products. These are products that you cannot hold. That's why it's called digital products. All right. Any products that you cannot hold, you sell on the online space. These are what we classify as digital products. Okay. So, an example of digital product can be like your music, right? And those ebooks. Okay, so all these are digital products. Fun fact, a lot of your influencers, a lot of our celebrities, people that we actually look up to, they are affiliate marketers, but they will not come and tell you that they are affiliate marketers. I'm sure you've seen a couple of times where they'll tell you that, hey guys, I got this hair from so and so place, link in my bio to purchase this hair. So that's an example of affiliate marketing, but they will not come and tell you that what I did is affiliate marketing. So anytime someone sells a product that is not their own, and you use their link to purchase that product, that's affiliate marketing. If you're someone that watch a lot of YouTube videos and you read descriptions, 80% of the time some of these YouTubers, they'll tell you that, oh, I got this mic stand from Amazon, link in my bio to purchase. So those guys are affiliates for Amazon. All right. Now, when we talk about affiliate marketing, there are so many niche you can go into. We have the hair care niche, we have the cooking niche, we have the travel niche, travel and visa, we have the there are so many niche you can literally go into. Ghostwriting, okay, we have the make money online niche. There's so many niche you can go into, okay. And if even beauty niche, if you're already like an influencer and you also had affiliate marketing to it, it's going to be very easy. In fact, so these are what affiliate marketing is all about. Like, it's very simple, and anyone can do this and succeed. A lot of person are making it big from affiliate marketing, and if they can make it by selling digital products online, you too can make it. Now, if you want a one-on-one guide, if you want someone to hold you by the hand, if you want someone to mentor you so you can be able to make your sales fast and to guide you, then I feel like you're in the right space. Of course, I know you're in the right space. All right. So comment affiliate marketing in the comment section and let's get started. Okay. If you want to learn how to also create your own digital products, maybe you don't want to be an affiliate for anybody. You want to start promoting your own products. You want to start creating your own ebook. Comment digital marketing in the comment section and we're going to get started. Mind you, registration is not free. Okay, so if you're one of those guys that are all about freebies, then this video is not for you, my darling. Registration is not free. So guys, registration is not free. I want you to have that in mind. Guys, there's so much you can make from affiliate marketing. There is a lot of money to be made. A lot of persons are making money from affiliate marketing, and if they can, you too can. All right, so drop the word ready.